Hi friends, and thank you for meeting me at Dollar Tree. We are going to be checking out the latest fall decor for 2026, and they have quite a few new items. So let's go shopping. Most of the fall decor in this video I found in the Dollar Plus section. Just check out these little woven wicker looking tabletop decor, and they come in this cute little mushroom. It has a darker brown top and a lighter brown bottom. They also have the pumpkin. Now I think they had these last year, but I'm thinking they added the little leaves and the little pumpkins to them. And this is the acorn here. Looks like you get some fall leaves and a little orange pumpkin on top. What I immediately noticed is that this year Dollar Tree has tagged their items so it's easier for the customer to find an item and know exactly how much it costs. Thanks, Dollar Tree. Now, these little pumpkins are new this year. And what they changed is adding the pumpkin top to the arrangement. You see right here, this is the top of the pumpkin with the stem. Last year they just had the base of the pumpkin stuffed with some florals. So they added that on to the price of this year. And I thought that was quite cute. And I'm liking this little teal greenish looking pumpkin here. They use more white florals to this and the nice little burnt orange. It looks like a chrysanthemum in the center there. And I found these cute little floral arrangements here. They each come in this ceramic rib type vase. You get two options in the color choice of the vase. And you can get this tan looking color here and a lighter color. This one is more on the neutral side with the creamy pumpkin and all the white ivory florals. Then they did this one and they added in a little bit more color, and they added this beautiful sunflower, and it's in a creamy rib vase as you see here. And then I found this one. This has more of a cranberry maroon color with all the chrysanthemums, the pumpkins. And then I found this one here with that little muted type orange effect. They have some little berries in here as well. And they have that little rope tie. I'm thinking that I saw these metal tabletop decor items last year, and they do light up. One is a gourd and it says give thanks, and it has the little pumpkin cutouts, and then the other one says welcome fall. Each of these are priced at $7 each. Perfect for some simple table decor. I also found this wire pumpkin. This comes in a more bronze looking color, and it has the orange chrysanthemums in the center with a few berries. I like this. I think it's so adorable, and it would be perfect to add to a coffee table, a console table. You could put this in your kitchen on a floating shelf. And this is the second option here. It comes in a silver wired pumpkin, and then we have that bronzy looking metal wired pumpkin. I think this is a new item to Dollar Tree this year. And I also found this one here with the gold wired pumpkin. And this is more on the neutral size with all the white florals and white berries. Now I'm thinking that all the wreaths that I'm showing in this video are the same from last season. They are $7 each. And they come in the more traditional colors, as in this one with the cute little orange velvet pumpkins, the berries, the leaves, and pine cones. And then if you're looking for a more neutralized wreath, they also provide this one as well with the same pattern, but in the creamy white and the tans and beiges. I also found this cute little metal cart here. It was $7. And the pumpkin design is on both sides. So if you're going to use this as a centerpiece on a tablescape, this would be ideal. If you have a kitchen island, this would be perfect to include in a vignette. You could put some florals in here. You could put some candles mixed with some florals. And I love this pumpkin here. I like the wheels on it. I like the stem that they use gold. I like the little pull on it. Nice size. Add florals, add candles, or whatever your creative mind comes up with. They also brought back these harvest pumpkins here. They are scented candles, and I'm just showing you each of the fragrances. I didn't get a chance to smell any of them. I also found these harvest drink dispensers here. They come in 3 styles, starting with this acorn style. They were very lightweight and made out of plastic. And I also found the football one. I thought this was very cute and whimsical. And I also found the orange pumpkin style. It had a iridescent coloration on the pumpkin. Great for serving at a party. And I also found this collection of harvest critter houses. $7 each. They're made out of resin. This one here has the adorable raccoon, has the little mushroom, and the entire little house is made out of a pumpkin, and it lights up like the sunflower on the top. And this one here has the little sly fox here, so cute. And it has more of a mushroom style as the roof, and a little mushroom chimney trimmed with the orange florals. And this one here, I think this is a squirrel. This one here has more of a pine cone effect on it. And all of these light up, and they are nice size as well. And this is the final one here. It has a mushroom roof with the white polka dots. Not quite sure what this little white character is, but if you know, leave a comment below. And I also found these adorable little harvest collections here. You get 6 little items in the pack. This one has the little house, the little gnome, and the fox, and the signs, and the little florals. So cute to decorate if you're doing tiered trays, or if you're doing a fall fairy garden. And this one here just says welcome. It has more of a sunflower theme. Loving that cute squirrel, adorable pumpkin, and a gnome holding a pumpkin. So cute and so fun. And then they have this one here. This was more apple theme. Now I'm loving that raccoon and the little apples in the bins. So sweet. This kind of reminds me of those sets that Aldi typically carries out seasonally, and they were $5. I thought that was a great price. And just check out these cute little, I'm calling them pumpkin stacks, okay? They're tabletop decor. This one right here kind of reminds me of something that I've seen at Hobby Lobby. You get 2 pumpkins, and it looks like there's a gourd in the center. And then you have the owl, the fox, and the raccoon on top of a pumpkin. And then you have some more little cute critters. Look at this little one in the center of the pumpkin. And that raccoon is so adorable. And I also found these cute tiered trays here. One is in the shape form of an acorn, and the other one is in the form of a pumpkin. The one that's in the acorn is brown, and the pumpkin is orange, of course. And I also found these ceramic pumpkins here and the green gourd. And this leaf is red actually. And they all light up, and there's a little cute little acorn in the back. These would be beautiful to add to a coffee table, a console table. You can use them on a floating shelf in your kitchen or even in your bathroom. And I also found these pumpkins as well. I really loved all of these. Now this green and white checkered one here was my favorite. It was oh so soft. I think it was made out of Sherpa material. I also love this little sweater pumpkin here. It actually felt like a sweater that you would wear. It also came in the orange style, and I was quite impressed with the craftsmanship and the sewing on all of these. And I also found this velvet one here. It had more of a rib print, and this was a white gourd. This was made out of plastic, but it did look pretty realistic in person, believe it or not. And I also found this beautiful green one here. I thought they did a great job of creating these pumpkins and the gourds this year. And if you're looking for some seasonal floor mats, Dollar Tree has you covered. I thought this one was so cute with the little barn and the Highland cow. Then they have Hello Fall with the leaves. Then Welcome Fall with florals. And I really like this one with the beautiful sunflowers. And it says welcome. I think you can use this well past the fall season. And this one here, cream background with the beautiful pumpkins, says harvest blessings. All of these were adorable. And nothing says cozy than these little plushy throws here. And I was trying to show you guys what they would look like if you open them up. But to the best that I could see, this one has little critters on it. Definitely has a fox on it. And then you have this one here with the little pumpkins. And there's 4 styles here. They were super, super soft. And I'm really liking the sunflower one here with the blue background. That will be beautiful draped on your bed or on a club chair or on a ottoman. Be perfect. Or you could put it on your front porch for those cool fall days. Now for me, I use throws all year round because in the summer you have the AC blasting and it gets pretty cold. Now I also found these cute little metal signs. I think they're returned from last year. And I think they added the little signs to them or styled them a little bit different because they look a little bit different. They stand on their own, and this one says Hello Pumpkin. And I also found these 70-inch table runners. I really like this. I love the colors of the pumpkins, and these types of table runners, they last. Even if you wash them, the color will not fade. And this one here has more leaves as the border, as you can see. And these would be perfect to create that special fall tablescape and even for Thanksgiving. I also found these garlands here. These were some pumpkins here. You get the orange, you get this little teal green, and the creamy white. When do you start decorating for fall? Leave a comment below and tell me what state you are from. And for those of you that likes to do a fall themed tree, these will make the perfect ornaments that add that whimsical touch to your tree this year. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, how about give it a big thumbs up? And if you're new and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It is absolutely free. And if you see that hype button, go ahead and hype up this video. It really helps out my channel. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Happy decorating!